Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, discuss very the normal topic about the domain purchasing steps. So as a beginner, you will be how we can purchasing domain first of all. So how many years will be domain book? So what are the options? I will show you in this option. First of all, domain booking website lot of are there. GoDaddy, Big Rock, a lot of websites are there. So in this, I'm selecting one of the websites called GoDaddy website. So in this, I'm selecting one name is called astrology website. So in this one, I'm selecting one domain name here, Sai Shankar Astrology. So in this, any name will be matching or mistake, you have to check will be here. Sai Shankara Astrology is there. So I'm looking for Sai Shankar Astrology. So right now, in this domain booking for, first of all, your account will be login in mandatory. After that, you can go to procedure. So they give on condition. When you purchase in 2 years, the first year price will be 199. Now click add to cart. In this add to cart, now we can go to steps will be 1248 per 2 years. Now continue to cart. Now this domain will be go to purchase. So here some option will be asking for your GoDaddy user. So you need any privacy protect. So the reason. So if you want need, you can go to the privacy protect will be here. So right now I'm not looking any privacy protect like your name, number, anything will be blocking purpose. No thanks. If you looking any free website, not interested. I look any professional email, not interested. Why? We are in purchasing on hosting. They are providing for particular option will be given into the particular theme option. So that is called we don't select any privacy protection and free website and your official email. So when you purchase server time, automatically they provide the all information. Continue to cart. So when domain purchase time, they give the five conditions: 1 year, 2 years, 3, 5, 10 years. So if you go for 1 year, the price will be 899. Okay. Now will be I'll go for 2 years. It will be 1248. So 898 and 2 years. So they give one condition here. What the condition? When you purchase 2 year, 1 year will be 199. So this is the option. Now, if you go to all options will be here. Now we can go to checkout option will be given. Suppose I have to go for checkout. So he's asking for your payment options. So right now I'll go with the any payment option will be here. So just which is the payment you can go for payment option or else we can go to back. So in this one, they give the particular credential will be given to the customer portal. So right now, I'll go to purchasing option will be here. This will be accept your credit card, debit card, anything will be accept. So payment procedure, add payment method, card number, net banking, debit card, wallet, UPay, anything will be particular will be support. So which procedure you need, you can purchase the domain option. Now I'm adding for my details here. So this will be, I can't show into the video. So now I'm go to the add my payment details. I'll purchase my domain here. Now I'll go to the procedure option. So last final step is called complete the my domain purchase. So I'll plan for here which year is the best. I'll go to for 1 year. It will be 899. So along with tax will be after checkout they show the all prices. After 2 years. So after 3 years. So after 5 years, it will be price will be increased. After 10 years. So we'll go for 2 years. Here is the option. So after 10 years, the price will be 9,640 rupees. So which price is the better? We can go to the particular option. Now I'll go to the payment procedure. So here I am adding the call details. Now you can check the price. 1 year, 1,076. 2 years, 1,500. If we go for 3 years, 2,7. So 5 years. See the price will be lot of difference will be price after adding the your card details. Now you can go for 1 year. The 1 year will be 1,000. 2 years will be 2,000. So when purchasing 2 years, it go for 1,504 rupees. The auto renewal option you're looking for not that. So here I have to purchase domain will be only for 1 year, 2 years. The best price will be 2 years. So we can go for purchase will be 2 years option. So this domain will be purchased and the particular option will be given into the Godaddy things. So we have checked for other website also to purchase the domain like BigGrok. Lot of options are here. So that all will be in a particular things. So this will be in a particular option will be given by the into the domain purchasing time. So this will be we can use for domain purchase time. So what are the option will be given? So dedicated IP address, anything required, we can go to your purchasing things. Now finally, what we can go for complete purchase option. Now I'm clicking for complete purchase. So when click here, they go to your purchase mode will be start. Now I'm going here. So this option I can't show here due to the security reason. So here, domain web purchase will successful done by 2 years option. So this option will be given by the in a particular notification. So anything you have to create in WordPress or any method will be required, we can use this option. So this is a method we can step will be follow to the purchasing for domain name. First domain details will be entered, here will be mentioned. After that, you can add in the privacy protect and your official email and get the free website. That will be only for 14 days trial free website. So that will be we can use in a particular option. So based on the request, we can purchasing for domain to the using for GoDaddy BigRock. Lot of website will be provided in the particular domain purchasing things. So in a domain purchase time, don't forget three option: domain name with extension .com .in, and a domain purchase time they are asking for three question: get free website, privacy protect, and official emails. Anything not required, click for no thanks option and purchase your website, which is providing for best price. Any domain will be purchased first time. The 2 years will be providing for best price into the domain purchase time. Sometimes in a GoDaddy, any premium domains, they give the certain conditions are given. The conditions are highly price and double price and same price will be continue. First year will be premium, second year will be simple domain price cost. So first year will be 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Next year onwards, 2000 less than 2000. These all method will be follow in the premium domains. So domain purchase time, all domain will be not same cost. So that regarding, I'll make the already video, follow this option to understanding the how will be purchase the domain option. So this will be useful to the beginners to understanding how to purchase the domain option. Follow the things and implement and getting more traffic on your website. First, you can purchase the domain option. After start the making a website. This condition we can follow and create your domain name, start your setup, and finish your purchase option. The domain will purchase total 5 types: 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. The name search depend on the best price is a 2 years and purchase a simple domain cost. Don't forget anyone about your domain selection and domain purchasing option will be have any question, you can ask me into the Distracker channel. I definitely will be support how can will be purchase domain, how we can utilize, so which is the best price, what is the coupon code will be help on my particular through my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.